Hey guys, it's me, Jimmy again. It's been about 8 months since I haven't posted a video. But on today's project, I want to show you how to convert standard lighting on a porch, deck porch, into recessed lighting. I'm going to show you how to cancel that light. And on top of that, we're going to be installing 8 3-inch recessed lighting on this beautiful porch, as you can see. We're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be removing this as part of my lighting project. I'll be using this 3-inch recessed light. It comes with a small junction box, you can call it, and these are at 3000 Kelvin warm white. As part of the project, we'll be using this voltage tester, stripper, insulated screwdriver, utility tool, and a drill, some screws that I might need on the way, and I'll be wiring my lights with a 14-2 Romex cable. I'll be using this to fish my wires if I need to, and of course safety gloves. At this point, as you can see, I got 2 light switches. This one controls the living room lights, and this one controls the porch lights. So I'm gonna be working. I'm gonna be taking these 2 switches, and I'm gonna try to see how do I'm able to work on this, on the porch light, to be able to go up the ceiling and fish the cable. Something really important, guys. I was actually working on the switch, but I forgot to bring down the breaker, the main source of power. And that's rule number 1, never work with energized outlets or switches. I was finally able to strip off this switch light, this green wire. It's the one that operates the porch light, and it gets its power out of this black wire. This is the energized wire. There's also one green wire here that's acting like a black wire with energy that goes down to this outlet, which is powered all the time. And this other black wire also gets its power out of this black wire, and this one is the one that goes to the lighting on the living room. Let's keep working. At this point, guys, I was trying to use my Milwaukee oscillating tool, but as you could tell, that's not good. Its tooth is already weared out, so I'm gonna be replacing it with these ones right here. It says that is for wood, plastic, or soft metal, but I'm gonna be trying to use on sheetrock. This is giving me a little bit of a hard time, so I'm gonna be using my saw. What I don't want is to cut any energized lights, lines, cables that might be running in the back. So I'm gonna use my saw. And this is the Romex that I wanted to be careful about when cutting this hole. That Romex is this one. Romex runs through there and connects to all these lights. Okay, after maybe 30 minutes of trying to take out the metal, I was able to do a hole here. That's my Romex for the living room lights, but I had to run another Romex through there and probably make it through the ceiling, and that could probably get me through my porch, and that way we could do the installation of the cable. Okay, I think I'm ready to drill my first hole. Up there it is marked with an X somewhere right there, but I'm gonna be using my Milwaukee drill, a 3 inches drill for wood, ideal for the recessed lighting. Well, first hole, as you have seen, it wasn't that easy. I think I'm not very well used to drilling wood. It's about an inch thick. Gave me a little bit of a hard time. I chipped this. I think I'm gonna sand it down and paint it again. But I have learned. My first hole is done. 7 more to go. All right, now that I'm with my first hole through, I'm gonna dig a hole right here, because I have here the trophy. So I'm gonna do it right there, so I'm able to get the cable from inside the living room, and then that way I'm gonna try to fish it through this first hole. We almost 50% of this project done. Okay, finally I got my 8 holes cut out. All of them. Here I had a problem. My drill slipped on me. Had to fix that. Other than that, every other hole is nice, clean cut. Hey guys, it's Jamie. Finally, our project is done. We have completed it last night, actually a little bit late, but I want you to take a look at it, how it ended up. Really good. Lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on, dimmer up, dimmer down, dimmer up, dimmer down. Yes, I had to dim these lights. They were a little bit strong, but I actually love it. If you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video, share it with somebody, and comment is also truly appreciated. Thank you.